Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic dream. It's here, it's evolving faster than anyone expected, and it's beginning to transform every corner of our lives, from how we work and learn to how we create and even how we heal. In just the past year, AI has made leaps that experts thought would take a decade. What started as simple chatbots and text generators has grown into powerful systems capable of reasoning, designing, inventing, and even teaching. In this video, we're going to explore 10 new AI tools and breakthroughs in 2025 that are already reshaping our world, quietly but profoundly. These aren't science fiction concepts, they're real technologies being used right now. So let's begin with the first major breakthrough, one that's changing the way we think about intelligence itself. Number 1. OpenAI's O1, the thinking AI. In late 2024, OpenAI unveiled a model unlike anything we've seen before, the OpenAI O1. It's not just another language model, it's a new kind of AI built for reasoning. Until now, most AI systems could provide impressive answers, but struggled to truly think through complex problems. The O1 model changes that by introducing what researchers call a chain of thought reasoning process, allowing it to break problems into smaller steps, reflect on its own answers, and correct mistakes before responding. This makes it vastly more capable at solving real-world problems in science, programming, and research. Imagine a tool that can help you write code, debug it, and even explain why it made each change. Or an AI assistant that can plan a week's worth of work tasks with logic that feels almost human. Researchers have already begun using O1 to assist in mathematics, chemistry, and physics, tackling questions that used to take teams of experts weeks to solve. It's also improving education. Students using O1 through ChatGPT Edu, OpenAI's university platform, can now receive step-by-step help on complex subjects, making personalized tutoring available to anyone with an internet connection. What makes O1 so significant is not just its intelligence, but its transparency. It thinks out loud, allowing users to see how it reached its conclusions, something older models never showed. That's a huge step toward building trust between humans and AI. As OpenAI continues refining this technology, O1 is already setting a new standard for what an intelligent assistant can be: thoughtful, logical, and deeply aware of context. Number 2. Google's Gemini 2, the multimodal mastermind. If OpenAI O1 represents the rise of reasoning, Google's Gemini 2 represents the age of integration. In 2025, Google took the AI race to the next level by merging language, vision, and sound into a single unified intelligence. Gemini 2 can read text, analyze images, interpret video, and even understand tone and emotion in speech, all at the same time. That means you can show it a chart, a document, and a voice note, and it can combine all that information into a single coherent analysis. Imagine uploading a business presentation with slides, datasheets, and meeting audio, and having Gemini 2 instantly generate a full summary, highlight key trends, and even suggest how to improve your delivery. What sets Gemini 2 apart is its ability to reason across different types of media. For instance, it can look at an X-ray image, read a doctor's report, listen to the patient's voice describing symptoms, and synthesize everything to provide diagnostic insights, something that was almost impossible just a few years ago. It's also deeply integrated into Google's ecosystem. From Android to YouTube to Workspace, Gemini 2 is becoming the invisible engine powering the apps billions of people use daily. It's already being tested in Google Search, making results more conversational and contextual, transforming how we interact with information online. The AI rivalry between OpenAI and Google is driving innovation faster than ever before. While O1 focuses on reasoning, Gemini 2's strength lies in its multimodal intelligence, understanding the world not just through words, but through everything we see, hear, and experience. And as both models evolve, one thing is clear. The way we search, learn, and create content is never going to be the same again. Number 3, Anthropic's Claude 3.5, the safer, smarter assistant. The next breakthrough comes from a company known for its cautious, human-first approach to AI, Anthropic. Their latest model, Claude 3.5, focuses on something equally important as intelligence: alignment and safety. Claude is designed to be an AI that understands context better than ever before, while remaining helpful, honest, and harmless. The new version builds on that promise with a powerful feature called constitutional AI. This means Claude has a set of ethical guidelines built directly into its reasoning process. Instead of just following commands, it can think critically about whether an action or response aligns with human values. In practice, that makes it one of the most reliable AI assistants for business and research. Enterprises are now using Claude 3.5 for sensitive data analysis, customer service, and content generation, confident that it will remain ethical, accurate, and professional. Claude 3.5 also introduced a breakthrough in context memory, capable of handling over 1 million tokens of information at once, meaning it can understand and recall entire books, long legal documents, or massive datasets in one go. This ability to retain and reason over such large context opens new doors for lawyers, scientists, and educators who need precise, detailed assistance. While OpenAI and Google focus on scale and capability, Anthropic's Claude 3.5 stands out for its trustworthiness. It's an AI that doesn't just aim to be smart, it aims to be safe, fair, and transparent. And as AI becomes more deeply integrated into daily life, those qualities might matter more than ever before. Number 4, AI doctors, the medical revolution. AI isn't just writing essays or generating images anymore, it's saving lives. In 2025, medical AI tools are revolutionizing healthcare in ways once thought impossible. Leading the charge are systems like DeepMind's AlphaFold, Gemini, and BioGPT, which are changing how we diagnose diseases, develop drugs, and understand the human body. AlphaFold, first introduced in 2021, shocked the scientific community by accurately predicting the 3D structure of proteins, one of biology's hardest problems. In 2025, it's now being used in pharmaceutical labs around the world to accelerate drug discovery and design personalized treatments. Meanwhile, Google's Gemini has been trained on medical data, patient records, and diagnostic imagery, allowing it to analyze X-rays, CT scans, and lab reports in seconds, often with accuracy that rivals or exceeds human doctors. These systems aren't replacing doctors, they're empowering them. By handling complex pattern recognition and repetitive analysis, AI tools free up doctors to focus on what truly matters: patient care. There's also a rise in AI diagnostic assistants, accessible via smartphones and wearables. Imagine taking a picture of a skin rash and instantly receiving a detailed report with possible causes, urgency level, and recommended next steps. This kind of accessible healthcare can be a game changer in developing countries where medical professionals are scarce. AI is also transforming medical research. By simulating biological reactions and analyzing genetic data at scale, researchers can now test thousands of drug candidates virtually before ever entering a lab. What once took years can now happen in months or even weeks. As these tools continue to evolve, we're moving closer to a future where healthcare is faster, cheaper, and more precise, with AI acting as the world's most tireless medical partner. Number 5, Sora and Runway, the rise of AI video. For decades, creating video content required cameras, actors, and editing software. But in 2025, AI is rewriting the rules of filmmaking. Leading this revolution are OpenAI's Sora and Runway ML Gen 3, two powerful text-to-video systems that can create realistic, cinematic videos from simple written prompts. Imagine typing, A futuristic city at sunset, drones flying above skyscrapers, people walking in neon-lit streets, and watching it appear as a lifelike video within seconds. That's what Sora can do. OpenAI's Sora takes generative video to a new level of realism, producing smooth motion, dynamic lighting, and natural physics. Filmmakers are already experimenting with it to pre-visualize scenes before production, while content creators are using it to bring ideas to life without expensive gear or crews. Both tools are democratizing video production, giving anyone the power to create professional quality visuals from imagination alone. But these tools also raise big questions about the future of creativity. If AI can generate entire films or advertisements, what happens to traditional filmmaking? The answer might be collaboration. Many experts believe the next wave of art will come from human-AI partnerships, where creators guide AI tools like directors, shaping the story and emotion while letting AI handle the technical details. One thing is certain, AI video generation is no longer a novelty. It's the future of visual storytelling. Number 6. AI agents and auto-GPTs, machines that think and act. Until recently, AI systems were reactive. They waited for us to ask questions or give instructions. But in 2025, we're witnessing the rise of AI agents, tools that can plan, act, and make decisions autonomously. These are systems like AutoGPT, GPT Engineer, and Crew AI, which combine reasoning models with real-world task execution. Instead of just responding, they can carry out complex, multi-step goals on their own. For example, you can tell an AI agent, research trending startup ideas in renewable energy, summarize competitors, and design a pitch deck. And it will do exactly that, browsing data, analyzing sources, creating slides, and even suggesting funding strategies. This level of autonomy comes from what developers call multi-agent orchestration, where several specialized AIs collaborate, each handling part of a bigger mission. One might collect data, another might analyze it, while a third generates the report. In 2025, large tech companies are integrating AI agents into everything from project management to cybersecurity. Microsoft's Copilot agents, for instance, can coordinate workflows across Teams, Word, and Excel, automatically generating reports, tracking progress, and even sending updates to human colleagues. In research, agents like LangChain, Voyager, and AutoGPT-X are pioneering what's called continual learning, allowing AI to improve itself over time by observing how humans interact with it. Imagine a digital coworker that never forgets, learns continuously, and adapts to your style of work. That's the new reality AI agents are bringing. Of course, this raises questions about safety and control. If an AI can act independently, how do we ensure it follows the right goals? To address that, companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are developing governed autonomy, systems where humans set rules and oversight frameworks before agents are deployed. These AI agents represent the next step beyond chatbots, machines that don't just talk but take action. And as they become more capable, we're entering a new era of productivity where the line between human and machine work begins to blur. Number 7. AI robotics, from code to motion. For years, robots were limited to factories and repetitive labor, but with the power of modern AI, robots are becoming smarter, more adaptable, and surprisingly human-like. At the forefront are two names you've probably heard before: Tesla's Optimus and Figure 02. Tesla's Optimus, once seen as a bold experiment, has now evolved into one of the most advanced humanoid robots in existence. In 2025, Optimus is capable of walking, lifting, sorting, and performing tasks without direct programming. It learns visually by watching humans perform actions and then replicates them using neural motion learning, the same way we do. What makes Optimus different is its connection to Tesla's massive AI ecosystem. The robot learns from billions of hours of camera data collected from Tesla cars. That means every movement, every object, every scenario it sees helps refine its understanding of the physical world. The other major player, Figure 02, has taken a slightly different approach. Their robots are designed to collaborate with humans in warehouses, hospitals, and even homes. Using advanced vision language models, they can interpret instructions like, "Bring me the blue box on the third shelf," and then navigate autonomously to perform the task. These robots are powered by the same kind of reasoning engines found in GPT models, allowing them to combine logic, vision, and motion. But it doesn't stop there. Startups like Agility Robotics and Sanctuary AI are building embodied intelligence systems, robots that not only move but understand the purpose of their actions. They don't just pick up an object, they understand why they're doing it. The implications are massive. AI-powered robots could fill labor gaps, assist the elderly, or perform dangerous jobs in construction, disaster zones, and space exploration. And as AI models continue to improve, these machines will not just mimic humans, they'll collaborate with us, learning side by side. We're moving toward a world where intelligent robots will be as common as smartphones, tools we rely on, not just to automate, but to augment what humans can do. Number 8. AI in creativity, music, art, and beyond. If robots are changing how we work, creative AIs are changing how we express ourselves. In 2025, tools like Suno AI, Udio AI, and Stability AI's SDL Turbo are redefining the boundaries of art, music, and storytelling. Let's start with Suno AI, a revolutionary tool that can generate studio-quality songs from a short text prompt. You can describe the genre, mood, and even vocal style, and within seconds, it composes an original track with lyrics and instrumentation. Musicians are already using Suno to experiment with new sounds, while independent creators are using it to produce entire albums without needing a recording studio. Then there's Udio AI, an AI music creation platform that pushes collaboration to the next level. It allows artists to sing or hum a melody, and the AI builds a full song around it, harmonies, instruments, and effects included. In visual art, Stability AI's SDL Turbo and Midjourney V7 are making digital creation faster and more lifelike than ever before. With a single description, artists can produce detailed, realistic, or abstract artworks in seconds, perfect for concept design, marketing, or personal projects. And in film and animation, tools like Pika Labs and Runway Gen 3 are turning static images into dynamic scenes, bringing digital storytelling to life. But the real breakthrough in 2025 isn't just that AI can make art, it's that it can collaborate with artists. Many creative professionals now use AI as a co-creator, bouncing ideas back and forth. The human provides the emotion and vision, the AI provides speed, variation, and technical support. This fusion of human creativity and machine precision is giving rise to a new art movement, co-creative intelligence. Of course, debates about originality and copyright are still ongoing, but one thing is clear: creativity is no longer limited by tools or technical skill. If you can imagine it, you can create it. And AI is making that more possible than ever. Number 9. AI in design and engineering. AI isn't just creating art, it's reshaping how we build the world itself. Tools like Adobe Firefly, NVIDIA Omniverse, and Autodesk Forma AI are helping engineers and designers work faster, smarter, and with greater precision. For instance, Autodesk Forma AI allows architects to simulate entire city environments, predicting how sunlight, airflow, and traffic will behave in real time. This lets them optimize building designs for sustainability before a single brick is laid. NVIDIA Omniverse, on the other hand, connects digital twins, virtual versions of real-world systems, to AI models that can predict how machines, vehicles, or even entire factories will operate. Automakers are already using this to test designs virtually, cutting development time from years to months. And with Adobe Firefly, creative professionals can now use natural language to edit, enhance, or redesign digital images instantly. Just type, "Make the lighting more cinematic," And the software understands the intent, producing results that used to take hours of manual work. Together, these AI-powered design tools are blending imagination with computation, turning creativity into an interactive dialogue between human and machine. In the coming years, we might see a world where most products, from shoes to skyscrapers, are co-designed by AI systems that optimize for both function and beauty. Number 10. AI in education. Personalized learning for everyone. Education is one of the areas where AI's impact is most profound and most hopeful. For decades, classrooms have followed a one-size-fits-all model. Every student learns the same material at the same pace, regardless of their unique strengths and struggles. But now, thanks to breakthroughs in AI-powered learning platforms, that's beginning to change. In 2025, systems like ChatGPT EDU, Conmango, and Squirrel AI are personalizing education on a scale we've never seen before. Take ChatGPT EDU, developed by OpenAI in partnership with universities. It's designed to give every student a virtual study companion, a tutor that understands their individual learning style, adapts to their pace, and explains difficult concepts in plain language. A medical student can use it to summarize complex anatomy chapters, a programmer can debug code step by step, and a language learner can practice conversation, all within a single tool that feels personal, patient, and supportive. What makes this revolutionary is accessibility. These tutors never tire, never lose patience, and are available to anyone with a phone or computer. For schools in developing regions or overcrowded classrooms, this could mean equal access to quality education for the first time in history. Beyond tutoring, AI is helping teachers too. Platforms like Gradescope AI automatically assess written work, while Class Companion tracks student engagement and provides suggestions for improving lessons. And in universities, AI-powered research assistants can scan entire libraries of academic papers, summarize findings, and even suggest new areas of study, turning weeks of research into hours. This shift toward intelligent education doesn't replace teachers, it amplifies them. Teachers can focus more on mentorship and creativity, while AI handles repetitive tasks. By the end of the decade, it's likely every student will have a personalized AI mentor, one that learns with them, grows with them, and helps unlock their full potential. Number 11, AI and renewable energy, powering a sustainable future. As the world faces the urgent challenge of climate change, AI is emerging as one of humanity's most powerful tools for sustainability. In 2025, AI is being used to make renewable energy smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. At the heart of this transformation are tools like Google DeepMind's Grid AI, Siemens Energy's predictive systems, and X's Tapestry project, which use artificial intelligence to balance power grids in real time. Traditionally, managing energy supply and demand has been a constant struggle. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. But AI can analyze thousands of data points, from weather patterns to energy consumption, and predict fluctuations before they happen. That allows power grids to automatically switch between sources, ensuring that energy is always available when people need it most. AI is also helping design next-generation solar and battery systems. Researchers are using machine learning models to find new materials for solar panels that capture more sunlight and store it more efficiently. Meanwhile, in agriculture, AI-driven systems are optimizing irrigation, reducing waste, and helping farmers grow more food with fewer resources. Drones equipped with AI vision can detect crop diseases early, preventing large-scale losses. In transportation, AI is making electric vehicles smarter. Systems like Tesla's full self-driving and Waymo's AI navigation use advanced neural networks to optimize routes, reduce energy usage, and improve safety. The broader vision is clear: a world where AI helps us live in harmony with the planet rather than at its expense. By combining renewable energy, predictive analytics, and smart infrastructure, we're moving closer to a truly sustainable future, one where technology works hand in hand with nature. Number 12, AI in space exploration, humanity's next frontier. Beyond our planet, AI is already helping us reach for the stars. In 2025, space agencies and private companies alike are using artificial intelligence to power the next great era of exploration. NASA's Perseverance rover on Mars uses AI to navigate rough terrain and make decisions without waiting for instructions from Earth, a crucial ability when communication delays can take up to 20 minutes. The James Webb Space Telescope, with the help of AI analysis tools, is now processing and classifying massive volumes of cosmic data, identifying distant galaxies, black holes, and potentially habitable exoplanets. Private companies are also taking advantage of AI's capabilities. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Relativity Space are all using AI for design optimization, predictive maintenance, and autonomous control during flight. One particularly promising project is AstroForge AI, which is developing systems for asteroid mining. These AIs can identify valuable minerals in space and plan extraction missions with minimal human intervention. In orbit, AI satellites are improving climate monitoring, communication, and disaster response. They can detect wildfires, floods, and deforestation in near real time, providing data that can save lives and guide policy decisions on Earth. The long-term vision is bold: autonomous spacecraft and robotic explorers powered by AI, capable of expanding humanity's reach deeper into the solar system and beyond. As AI becomes the ultimate co-pilot for exploration, we're entering an age where space travel isn't just human ambition, it's a collaboration between human curiosity and machine intelligence. The future of AI. What comes after 2025? Standing in 2025, it's clear that we're living through a turning point in human history. In just a few short years, AI has moved from laboratories and science fiction into every aspect of daily life, in our phones, cars, hospitals, and classrooms. And this is only the beginning. By 2030, experts predict the emergence of AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, systems capable of reasoning, planning, and learning across any domain, much like a human mind. Some believe we're only a few breakthroughs away. Others argue true AGI might take decades. What's certain is that AI's influence will continue to grow. It will redefine how we work, create, and govern. It will challenge our understanding of creativity, ethics, and even consciousness. But as powerful as AI becomes, its direction will always depend on us, on the people who design, guide, and regulate it. The choices made today will shape whether AI becomes a tool for empowerment or inequality, for progress or control. The greatest lesson of this technological revolution is simple: AI reflects humanity. It learns from our data, our behavior, and our values. If we teach it empathy, fairness, and wisdom, it can become one of the most transformative forces for good in history. As we step into this new era, the question isn't whether AI will change the world. It already has. The question is, how will we use it?